Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So na jayate na mriyate va kadachit. Kadachit means any time, past, present and future. Kadachit. In the past it is already explained. In the past we existed, maybe in a different body. At present we are existing, and in the future also we shall exist, continue to exist, maybe in a different body. Maybe not actually. Tatha dehantaram prat. Because after giving up this body, we have to accept another body. So this is going on. And ignorance, without knowledge of self, we are being kept in ignorance. The so-called educational system all over the world, there is no such education. They are kept in darkness and ignorance, and still so much money is being spent, especially in the Western countries. They have got money, big high schools, but what is the production? All fools and rascals, that's all. Because they do not know, they have no idea what is self. And without this knowledge, knowledge means self-realization. That I am not this body, I am spirit soul. That is knowledge. Knowledge how to eat, how to sleep, how to defend, how to enjoy sex life, and volumes of books on this subject matter. These are not knowledge. They are known even by the cats and dogs. The cats and dogs never read Freud's philosophy, but they know how to enjoy sex life. So this dog's philosophy will not help you. That I have got this body and I have to enjoy the bodily sex life. This is dog philosophy. The dog knows all these things. Your philosophy should be how to refrain from sex life. That is knowledge. Tapo divyam. Tapasya, this human life is meant for. Tapasya, to refrain from sense gratification. That is knowledge. Not that how to enjoy sex life or sense gratification. This is known to cats and dogs, without any education, without any philosophy. The philosophy, pravittireshang bhutana nirvittestu mahaphalam. Pravitti, every living entity has got this pravitti, means propensity. What is that? Sense enjoyment. Loke bhavayami samadvaseva nityastu jantu. Jantu means living being. Nitya, always. He has got the propensity. Bhavaya amisha madvaseva. Bhavaya. Bhavaya means sex life. And amisha means meat eating. Bhavaya amisha madvaseva, and intoxication. These are natural instincts of all living. Even amongst the ants, these propensities are there. Those who have studied, the ants are very much fond of being intoxicated. Therefore they find out sweet, sugar. Sweet is intoxicating. Perhaps you know all. The liquor is made from sugar. Sugar is fermented with acid, sulfuric acid. And then it is distilled. That is liquor. Therefore, too much sweet Eating is private.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.